my babies, it's your girl Rare Secrets coming at you with another video. Before we get started, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, tell a friend, and tell another friend, tell a partners in them, because we lady over cheer. And without further ado, y'all, yeah, we got a few things, and let's get it. So this one I opened already. From Temu. I have this cardigan sweater and a 4X. Hopefully I can fit it. I don't see why I wouldn't be able to, because it's like the very stretchy cotton material, and I thought this was so cute because I actually have some sneakers that was gifted to me these colors, so I was like, gotta find something to match. So yes, if you're looking into like plus size cardigans, jeans, leggings, Temu, don't sleep on Temu. Just definitely check out the reviews, because sometimes they'll let you know if it runs like small, true to size, or show pictures and stuff to see if it really look like it's supposed to look as far as the quality. But definitely check out Temu. Also, these are $4 tank tops, kind of like compression tank tops. I like wearing tank tops under my t-shirt sometimes because I sweat and I don't want the sweat to come through my t-shirt. So yeah, I usually just wear a tank top, some little snazzy. Let's see. Also, when it comes to the dupe jewelry, Temu definitely has a lot. You have to look it up as designer jewelry, luxury jewelry, designer luxury, luxury designer jewelry. You know, just use your words, but Temu definitely had it on there. Y'all found my scissors. I told y'all them people downstairs stole my scissors. I found them. In my last video, I was using them baby scissors. So y'all, here goes the dupes of some designer bracelets. This is supposed to be a dupe of the Tiffany T bracelet. Basically, you're supposed to be able to open it to make it fit your wrist. I'll do that later because I don't want to break it. And then this is Van Cleef Arpels. It's like a little bracelet that you can clip on, clip off. And this came in 3 colors. It came in silver, rose gold, and gold. Y'all can't get it off the thing, but basically it's a little bangle. Both is, I'm trying to see if both, I think both are stainless steel, if I'm not mistaken, but yeah. And then, y'all get the children out the room, because this is going to be a next item for adults. If the children is in the room, get the children out the room. 5, 4, 3, 2, whizzon. Okay, so yeah, another thing, y'all, on Temu, if you didn't know, they have adult stuff, like, if you get my drift. So you can go in there, look up stuff like stuff you will find like the Ambiance store or Amazon, but just cheaper. It definitely comes in like the packaging and stuff. For some reason, when I was on, what was I on? Was it IG? I think it was on Instagram, and AliExpress basically kept on doing some type of advertisement. You know, when you'll say something or look something up, or just all of a sudden it'll come up as an advertisement. So that came up. So then I'm on Temu, and then this pops up as an advertisement. It was the same thing that was on AliExpress. And I'm just like, okay, whatever. But yeah, it's a yeah. And you know, the stuff comes packaged, smushed, but packaged. You know, little stuffs, you know, yeah, we're not gonna open stuff, but y'all get my drift. Y'all get it. If you get it, you get it. I gotta open this off camera because this has my address on both sides. I don't know what this is. So yeah, this stuff is between either Temu or the Expressway. Let me see something, y'all. I got all these packages. They just been piling up. Just why? Just why? Let's see. Y'all know I'm a big kid. This was on the expressway, y'all. I seen it, I had to get it. Y'all know I love Willy Wonka and the Chocolate Factory. So I seen this, I was like, babe, I gotta get it. Cause I got a golden ticket. No, I just had to. Love it. I just had to. Somebody probably like, that is just so unnecessary. Y'all don't understand. I love Willy Wonka and the Chocolate Factory. I really do. If I didn't already say it, this is from the expressway. Y'all know I love getting me my bangles. Especially when you have like larger wrists. It's easier to find like nice stainless steel bracelets and bangles off there. I thought this was cute. It's like the two-tone. It has the, come on now, the gold little X's, but the stainless steel silver. I just thought that was cute. Oh wait, hold on. Open this one. That's cute. Like it still has the gold and it's cute. It has the little cubic zirconium. So yeah. And then y'all, they also have like card games on here. This is a Drunken Love, the drinking game for groups, X-rated / even hotter. So this is a group game, and I thought this was real cool because some of the stuff they had on the little pictures, I was like, yeah. So I'll let y'all know about this. Let's see, what is this? These are my headphones, y'all. Y'all know I love my Beats. And I have the brown ones, the earbuds. I love those ones. I think those are the ones that Kim Kardashian did the collab with. Y'all, I seen these ones, and I was like, I want them. They're in brown. They go with my complexion. Like, are you serious? I just had to. So I'm not gonna open these yet, because I'm not gonna use them yet, because I'm still using my purple ones, the ones that I told y'all that is splitting. Mind you, I have like another pair somewhere, so I'll let y'all know about these, but I'm definitely hyped. And these are the Studio Pros. Yeah. Let's see, what is this? What is this? I don't want to open this shop because this might be a gift for somebody. Yeah, I don't know what this is. Or it could be something unhinged, so we just gonna be that bubble wrap. We'll look at that off camera. Let me try to throw everything away as I go. Y'all know how I am. Let's see, what else? Hold on, y'all, I'm using my little handy dandy grabber thing to pick stuff up. Y'all know I'm still healing, y'all. Let me see, what else? Here goes the Scarface package. They just be doing the most when it comes to taping this stuff up. What is this? Okay, I remember what this is. This is from the Expressway. And I thought this was so cute. It reminded me of like the Juicy Couture type belts, purses. But it was a Hello Kitty line. It's like the nylon material with this faux leather. I just thought it was cute. It's a nice, decent size. Pretty big. I give it a medium. Has the silver feet. Bubblegum pink. Silver hardware. Y'all know I usually get gold hardware, but don't care. It has this metallic gold strap. And in the inside is white, so I would definitely have to use an insert so it don't get dirty in here. But I thought this was cute. Because y'all know I got some Hello Kitty Crocs, so perfect. Very perfect. And that was from the Expressway. It's got my name on both sides. I already know what this is. This is from the Expressway. Y'all know DH, I only mess with them from afar. I thought this was so cute. Y'all know I love me a good old heart bag. And you can actually take this off. So you can detach it, or you could just clip it back on. It's a button basically. I'll get it. Gold hardware. Brown strap. This is so cute. You could really make this into like a wristlet. Yep. So cute. That's from the Expressway. And I want to say this was like 20 bucks. Not bad at all. What is this? No, this is from Temu. These last two are from Temu. So let's see. Once again, Temu do be selling dupe stuff sometimes, but you just gotta catch it because it's like as soon as it's on there, it's gone. This is supposed to be a Pandora. Yeah, a Pandora cuff bracelet. So I thought that was cute. It says Pandora on it. And it wasn't that much. And it came with this little mesh, little holder thing. Let's see. And then the last package we have right here. I hate that they just be stuffing everything just all together. Like, what is the rush? Y'all can't use more packaging? Goodness gracious. I purchased this. Y'all know I love like sneakers. And y'all, this is like a little rose bouquet sneaker. Little, what would you call this? Like a little bouquet. A rose sneaker bouquet. I thought this was cute. And also go on Temu for your nail accessories, whether it's the rhinestones, brushes, stickers. So these are just Brat stickers. Thought these were cute. I don't want to take them out the pack. I'm gonna leave everything together because knowing me, I'll lose them. These are some miniature emery boards. Just good to have because usually I use this big one. So these are cute. And I think, how many come in here? 50. I think it was only like $1 or $2. More Brat stickers. These are just the bigger sizes. And these are for the nails. So small size. And I want to say these were like $1 each. Then I got this Christmas card for somebody, so I can't show it y'all. I'm gonna have to bleep it out. But it's funny. And I got this bracelet for my Nana. I'm not gonna open it, but it's real vintage looking. She loves vintage, the sterling silver look, so I got her that. Pretty cute. And y'all, I love sneakers. I seen these sneakers on there and I was just like, why not? It gives me very much skater dude slash, I don't know, on some other type stuff. Because I only have one other shoe that's an animal print. It's some Nike shoes I haven't worn yet. But I was like, I want another pair of animal print. And this has the cheetah and the zebra. And I thought this was so cute. Hopefully I can fit it. It's in a size 44. We'll see. I'll try it on real quick. Y'all remember I wear 11.5 in men's shoes. So, oh shoot. Okay, here we go. I mean, it's a little tight. And this is a size 44, unless I need to like undo. Let me see if I just loosen up some of these laces. Cause I got the biggest size they had. Cause from the looks of the size chart, this was the size they told me to get based on the chart. So I don't know. Let me see. I mean, they fit. But if your foot wide at the top, you might not. Yeah, they fit. They cute though, but they're a little snug by the top part. So take that in consideration, because there's no more sizes up. So yeah, y'all, this is my miniature haul. I hope y'all enjoyed it, and I hope to see you guys on the next one. Bye.